So come on, we got 3 people in live. Come on, y'all, represent. Oh, dude, Johnny. I better Johnny me, baby. Y'all better represent me. No cap, y'all. Pop out, pop out. Let's keep it rocking, y'all. You know? So anybody catch the whiff of this, y'all, I'm telling y'all want to subscribe to y'all channel. You need, come on with it, y'all. Come on with it. Drop your emoji, drop, and say my bros. Y'all already know where the link is if y'all want to go live. Y'all know where the link is at. It's right there stuck up there. So say, I told y'all when I go live, and it ain't no quick pop out. Y'all know where the link is at. Yeah. So, you know what I'm saying? If y'all want to pop out, you know the live link is, y'all. You hear me? Don't stop playing. Stop playing. Y'all already know where the link is at. Stop playing. You already know. Pop out. You know what I'm talking about? You really chill. You know what I'm talking about? Shoot your shit. Already. Y'all my bros. Y'all know where the link is at. Pop out. Y'all want to pop out. You already know we chilling. You hear me? Network time. Let's get it. You hear me? Free game. Let's get it. Wow, still dropping video. Still dropping video right now. Right now. Not later, but right now, y'all. You hear me? Oh, yeah. We dropping videos right now. We ain't playing no games now. Oh, yeah. We ain't playing no games. No games. No pain. Come on, y'all. So, yeah, y'all already know the link is. Y'all ain't doing nothing but chilling. Y'all already know. You know what I'm saying? Already. You already know, bro. You already know. Stay popping, stay popping. Already. You already know we locked in like stockings. You already know. Y'all know the link is at. The link is at the same in the community. Think, tap on it. You can go live, pop y'all channel, represent your channel. Kim Ford said, "Oh, I beat you." No cap already, bro. You already know, man. Up there.
Yeah,
For the night over.
two more, bro. Two more.
You got served.
Hey, hey.
Back into your the community and then post it as a post.
Okay.
That's why yeah, like how I went, how you go to my little community and then click on it, you gotta go make it like you're doing a post and then
Okay.
put it up there and then push paste. So basically you
Okay.
gotta cut and paste the shit. Cause
Okay.
once you push that button as you copy the link, once you
Mm.
do that, it's already in your post. I mean in your catalog to be posted. So when you go to your community, push post and bam, it's gonna yeah, y'all see how it look. That
Yeah,
boy
I've been
got that
around.
wall on these boys.
Hey, bro, I got a whole another wall, bro, going up this week, bro.
Already, yeah, I saw it. Yeah, you
Yeah,
told me. Yeah,
yeah,
I was
yeah,
gonna say, bro. Like I said, I keep my ear to the streets. Oh yeah, I'm listening.
yeah.
I
Hey,
said, oh
bro,
yeah, he got. So yeah, he got the whole nother wall. Yeah, he gonna
yeah,
put that
it's coming,
that
bro.
other Jethro out on it.
I'm telling you, we're gonna be the
Oh,
best, bro. We're gonna be
bro,
the
we already
best.
know.
What?
We gonna tag
What
team
did I
it.
tell you, bro? What did I tell you?
We gonna tag team it, nigga,
Yeah,
bro. We gonna
that's a
tag
fact.
team it, bro. This is
That's a
how we do
fact.
it. I'm trying to tell y'all,
What?
network time.
It's gonna be
Network.
crazy.
They ain't gonna say, bro. We
Mm.
finna hit 100K. We finna hit 100K. So we finna act a fool anywhere we go. We
Hey,
finna act a
look.
fool.
Hey, I told you, I'm a any way I can to help you, bro. I'm gonna do it. Let's get it, bro. Let's get it.
It's going
If I
down.
can,
It's going down. We got
if
this.
I can use your
We
platform,
got
use my platform to make us get where we need to go. Let's do it. Fuck it.
Showtime.
Somebody,
Hey, baby. Hey, Miss
somebody got,
Palmer. Hey, Boo.
somebody got to do it.
Yeah, man, we got
somebody,
this, bro. No
yeah,
cap, man.
somebody,
We finna show them how it's all about showing love. And
yeah.
we gonna be real wild popping out, man.
Right. Since I met you, bro,
Yeah,
you ain't show
man.
nothing but love, man. I was like, man,
Hey,
it
man,
was
I got to, man.
it,
Shit.
this
You ain't did shit to me.
right. Yeah.
For
Yeah.
real.
Since I ran into you, bro, you ain't show nothing but love to me, bro. I ain't gonna lie
That's
to
what
you. Yeah.
but I ain't know what I'm trying to tell people, man. It's all about showing love, but man. Say
Yeah. Yeah,
people
because
probably see what's up,
you
baby.
know, I ran into a couple people, man.